Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on collecting data. Data refers to raw facts before they are converted to information. Many firms or organisations collect data and organise it in meaningful ways so that they can make informed decisions for the future. The following is an example of raw data. The different coloured vehicles entering a car park over a 10-minute period are recorded. So here are all the vehicles that entered the car park in a 10-minute period, and there are 30 of them altogether. The above data can be organised in the form of a table as follows. So here we list all the different colours, and you'll see that there are 7 different colours. Now here we have a column called the tally, and all we do, for example, when we see blue we put 1 stroke, when we see black we put 1 stroke, we see red we put 1 stroke, and we keep continuing on one by one so that we don't miss any. Now here is a very interesting situation here. Whenever you do 4 strokes, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th stroke is like that, because when you come back to count, that's just a bundle of 5, so it's very convenient. So for example here we have 5 plus another 4, that's 9. So there are 9 white cars. So the data has been transformed to information because it is much easier to interpret and make conclusions. So after we finish the column where we have the tally marks, we just write the numbers here. Now let's look at a very interesting question over the next page. One possible question that could be asked about the information in the table is as follows. What possible climate is prevalent in the country where this data was collected? While there is no foolproof answer to this question, we could infer the following. Now we'll go back to the previous slide very quickly. So you see here we have the number of cars. What do we notice? White, we have 9 cars, and black, we only have 2. So the inference could be as follows. The country could have a warm or hot climate because white cars are in the majority and black cars are in the minority. Now that's only a possible answer. We're not 100% sure that's correct, but that is a possible answer. Now we have 2 different types of data. One is numerical data and the other one is categorical. Let's have a look at the difference. Different types of data can be collected as the result of surveys. There are 2 main types of data. A teacher asks the following 2 questions and gathers the data from 8 students. What mark did you score in the science test? So for that particular question, we get 8 different marks. The above is numerical data. The next question, what is your favourite subject? And we have those 8 answers. The above is categorical data. So this video has introduced us very briefly to how we collect data and organise it in a table, and we've seen the difference between numerical and categorical data.